I'm watching CL. Do have just a regular speed tick potential here. What I'm doing is I'm confirming that resistance has value by waiting for the open of the next bar. Got a rock star that backed up a tick, so I shorted the CL. Nice strong push up. Now, just because I have indicators here didn't make all of these good trade setups. I waited until I got up here to this resistance. Have an overbought condition, pullback alert up here. Speed tick, which is our trigger, the bar opens. 5 ticks or less with actually I think that was further than 5 ticks, but we did have the rock star, which made it a naked rock star. Down it goes.